What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Rogue Vette, and we are here with another video. Sorry, it's gonna be a bit of a short one. I'm just kind of explaining what's going on with my life now. So basically, guys, the days come. The mobile detailing business that you saw a while back, where I went over all the equipment that I had at the time. I've gotten a lot more since. Time has come. I'm going ahead and I'm going full in, man. I want to start this. I have a passion for cars and cleaning them, so I'm going to go ahead and start it. So website should be coming up shortly. All the other things should be coming up with it. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I've been making a page specifically for those. You can start kind of seeing my TikTok. I've kind of explained about it already, but it's called Rogue Auto Detailing. So you have the Rogue Vette with the Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, and now we're going to have the Rogue Auto Detailing with a YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok as well. So both are gonna have pages, social media pages for those. And like I said, the website should be coming up, and I'm just getting all the other small business things figured out, like business cards and all the other stuff that, go with starting a business and getting the mobile detailing business started. So this video, I'm just kind of wanting to tell y'all, hey, this is what's happening. So if y'all are interested in getting your car detailed and you live in San Antonio, go ahead and hit me up. I'll be glad to see what my schedule looks like and get you on the books. You can contact me through Instagram or through YouTube or phone number. Like I said, the website should be coming online hopefully shortly here. So I'm just tying a bunch of loose ends and stuff like that, but you can see the vet right there. She's so pretty. And don't worry, guys. Like I said, I'm still going to keep the Rogue Vette channel. Okay, that's not going away. I'm still going to do install videos when I get a chance, when I have time to do that, because I'm still wanting a lot for this car. So it's not going away. It's still there. It's just the Rogue Auto Detailing will be specifically for car washes, car details, stuff like that. So when I go to a client's house or wherever and I detail a car, I'm gonna make a video about it if they're okay with it and post it to that channel. So Rogue Auto Detailing will be specifically for car washes and car details and anything car detail related, equipment, blah, 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 blah. Anything like that will be for Rogue Auto Detailing. Rogue Vette will still be for going to car shows and, doing anything with the Corvette and installs and stuff like that. So all that will still be there. There'll just be two channels. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the Rogue Auto Detailing page and the TikTok and Instagram as well. Rogue Auto Detailing. Help me out. Follow, like, sub, tell your friends, and that'll help me out a lot, guys. But yeah, this is a truly great and exciting time. A little scary as we're starting a business, but yeah, guys, I've really been wanting to do this for a while, and it's just living in the apartment before the house. It was just too hard, and it just wasn't time. But now that we've moved and I have my source of water that I can maybe use, I'll probably end up starting though with just using the client's water and their electricity, just because the my daily it's already crammed with all the equipment that I need, and I can't really fit a tank or generator in there because the generator, that big boy right there, that one, yeah, it's too big. It's too big to fit in the daily. So we'll have to wait and save up for a mobile detailing van, like one of the Transit Connect ones. But you gotta do what you gotta do. A lot of detailers start just using clients' water and electricity, and most people don't have any issues doing that. So that's how we're gonna start, and eventually we'll save up and get a detailing van so I can provide my own water and electricity. But until then, we'll just have to work with what we have, guys. So let me just show y'all the vet real quick, guys. Oh, guys, look, she's pretty. She's pretty. I just washed her, just detailed her. She's got the inside done, outside done. I did do the daily as well. Man, you should have seen how filthy that car was. That one's completely done and shiny and looks really good. But guys, your car will look like this. Super shiny, butter-like paint, slick. Look at those wheels. Tire shine, glossy. Man, look at that. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Cars are gonna look like that, guys. So if you want something like that for yours, or someone who would want something for that, I'm your guy. So just hit me up and we'll work a timeout. All right, guys, well, that's pretty much the video. So this is the Rogue Vette. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and comment, like, and subscribe on my Rogue Auto Detailing page as well. Until the next video, guys, peace.